I would like to start out by thanking some of my subscribers for suggesting that I branch out into teaching courses. I have toyed around with this idea for a few years now, and I've tried out a few videos, trying to come up with an idea I like to go deeper into a subject that I really know about. As quite a few probably know from my 10 years plus of YouTube videos, I truck all over the United States and film a lot of sights for you to see along this great country. I have been doing this now for over 2 decades. I have done a lot of different parts of the transportation industry. Over that time, I have gained a lot of knowledge that I would like to share with you. As I talk to older owner-operators that have been running their trucks for several years, I have found out that not everybody knows all about the different components about running their truck. That is one thing I'd like to incorporate into JohntheMouse University courses. I want to expand your mind with others that have more knowledge in unique subjects so we can all learn from it. Everybody seems to be concentrated on the dollar amount of the loads. I'm here to tell you that it is not the only thing you should be looking at. When I ran my company, I was always looking at both sides, operating expenses and income from the loads. The largest expense I had was paying for fuel. The next largest payment was the driver pay. Insurance, truck payment, and maintenance came next. If you're a newer driver thinking about getting a truck, or you've had a truck for several years, I want to make this course something that can keep you in business during the good times and bad. As we get deeper into the weeds, you are going to have the best course available to you online. By applying what you learn should give you an edge over the other owner-operators that don't have this knowledge. As we go over in the course, we will show you that this monthly subscription is tax deductible. Learning the tax code is very beneficial in you running your business. To have the most up-to-date tax code, you should rely on a tax professional to help you with your taxes in your unique situation. Best to find one that has trucking tax experience. As my course grows on Teachable, I will also grow my monthly fee. But the ones that get in early will keep the same price locked in as I continue to expand my courses over time.